We'll guide you through how to change your Apple ID account password if forgotten. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and you found that you've gone and forgotten your Apple ID account password, and so you want to go and change it without it. We'll guide you through the steps, because perhaps you're trying to go and sign in on another device, or you're just trying to go make a change in the account, and you're being asked for the password and you can't remember it. Don't worry, we'll guide you through this. First of all though, it can be worth checking in case it's been saved on this device, as that may have happened. So what you can do is go and find the utilities folder on the second app page and open it up, and you go and have the passwords app. Alternatively, you can drag down like this and you can go and search for passwords like so, and we can then go and open it up. I'll just unlock it, press search at the bottom, and you can go and type in Apple, then you can go and find your Apple account and tap there. And we can then tap on the password and we can go and reveal it. So that'll go and save you from having to go and change it. Hopefully that's right, but you can go and test that. If you still find you need to go and change it and you've forgotten it, go and open up Safari. Then what you want to do is go and press search, whether that's on Google, the search bar at the bottom, and you can go and type in forgot Apple account password. We're getting it suggested and we can then tap on it. The page you want to come to is this one here. If you've forgotten your Apple account password, make sure it's the official Apple site. You can tap there. You can read this through, but what we're looking for is this link, resetting your password on the web, and then you can go down and press reset your password at iforgot.apple.com. So you can actually go and change it on this device as we already have it on here. So what you can do at the bottom is go and press reset password. You'll go and get this pop-up. So you can go and reset this account's password. If it's not that, you can press help someone else and go and use the account you're trying to do it with. But in this case, it's this one here. So I'll press reset my password, wait for this to load. You'll need to go and enter in the passcode for this iPhone. So I can go and type that in now. This just goes and verifies that it's you. And as you can see, we're now prompted to enter in the new password. You don't need to access your email or phone number, and we can then go and enter it in here. And so you can change it if forgotten. After you've gone and entered and confirmed your new password there, what you can do is go and add it to the passwords app in case you want to access it again in the future, as that's secure in there. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.